All right, so for AP Chem, we are doing on page 6 of our handout, we're going to do the second example of our redox reaction. And this one should look fairly familiar. We've used this a little bit already, and we know real quick that Mn is a +7. My first step is to write my half reactions for reduction and oxidation. The line goes GR to keep track of which one is which. The one that has a reduction is this. And so iodine is a 0 charge when it's like that. And I've got that. Next step is I want to balance the elements. Well, this is balanced. And this one is not, so I need to do 2 iodines. Now I need to balance the oxygens. Notice I didn't do it here. I didn't need to. There was no oxygen on this side. I take care of balancing as oxygens down here when I add in hydrogen. So the only thing I really was balancing was the main element, Mn. So here I have 4 oxygens on this side, none on this side. So this is going to become and I need to add in the appropriate number of oxygens. I got 4, I have 1 here, so I have to do that. There were no oxygens here, so I don't need to worry about that. I need to balance the hydrogens here. Well, since I added in oxygen here, with water, I have some hydrogens here, so I need to get the appropriate number of hydrogens on the other side. I have 8 here, so I'm going to have 8 hydrogens. And then I just add in the rest of everybody else that was still there. And there are no hydrogens there, so again, I can just skip it for the oxidation half reaction. Now I need to balance the number of electrons. So now we got to do some math. I have a -1. I have a +8 here. So I have a +7 overall. I have a +2 on this side. I've got a difference of 5 between those. And I need to get this down to a +2 on this side. So I have to add in 5 negative electrons to get, if I take away 5 from this, now I have a +2. So that's why I picked that. And again, you just keep rewriting the whole thing again and again. Here, if I go up, I have 1 or 2 negative electrons here, so I have a -2. I have a 0 on this side, so I need to get a -2 on this side, so I'm going to add 2 electrons to this side. So I now have the same number of electrons, a -2 charge on this side, -2 charge on that side. Now I need to balance the number of electrons between the two half reactions together. Here, I've got 2 on my oxidation ones. I have 5 on that one. So I'm going to have to take everything here times 2 and everything here times 5 to balance it out. And again, I want to set myself up for when I combine them. So I'm going to put my yield signs here together. So I'm taking everything here times 2. So I have 10 electrons, 16 hydrogens, 2 Mn4s, 2 Mn pluses, and 8 waters. Everything here times 5. So I have 10 iodine negatives and 5 diatomic ions and 10 electrons. And the reason I did that is I'm now going to combine those. My electrons disappear, and I write it all together. And my last step is to check that everybody is balanced out. I have a plus 16 here, a minus 2, a minus 10. So overall, that's a plus 4 on this side. I've got a plus 4 here, 0 there, 0 there. Those match up, so I am good to go.